40 kilos of fresh meat waste. Nearby, a flock of hungry red kites and common buzzards sit drooling and getting ready for a slap-up meal. For the past 25 years, farmer Rudi Geisler has been feeding birds of prey during the winter.
These birds are hungry. I just feel sorry when I hear them crying for food.
Today, Geisler is joined by Michael Schad, an expert from the Swiss Ornithological Institute. After the meat is served up in the field, the men move away. The first to tuck in are the common buzzards. The red kites are still a little cautious. Maybe they're just not used to such hospitality. In the past, they would have spent their winters in the south.
I guess they've just become lazy and tired of making long-distance journeys.
Feeding birds of prey is only something specialists should do. Geisler gives them the right food, hardly any innards, and the meat is still warm, so it doesn't freeze.
However, Geisler is aware that these are wild animals and so shouldn't get used to such five-star treatment.
As soon as it becomes warmer and the snow melts, I'll stop feeding them.
After an hour, when the meat is almost gone, less picky eaters, the crows, get the leftovers.